May profits be upon you. Hey, I want to take a look at this 4 hour chart of Bitcoin here. All right. Now, we can see that we've been a little bearish. We've been a little bearish lately. All right. And since price has come down and landed on this weekly order block here, all right, the weekly demand area, and it's a refined weekly demand area. There's a daily inside of that demand, but that's not what I want to focus on. What I want to focus on is the direction of price. All right, we can see that price started making after this high, started making lower lows, lower lows, lower highs on a micro level. All right, these are intermediary lower lows and lower highs, all right, because we are trading within a larger trading range. Okay, so these aren't breaks of macro structure. This is breaks of microstructure. Okay, and as price came back up, sweeping these liquidity points here, taking out these previous highs, it's also indicating that price wants to continue to go higher. Right? We finally took out the high here, rating all of the liquidity, all the buy side liquidity there, creating near equal highs here, but then taking those out, price fell, breaking these structural points here along the way. Now, if price holds here at this 4 hour within the 8 hour demand area here, we're already past the opening of the 8 hour, we're in the 4 hour right now. If price holds here, if this demand holds, then this would be considered a higher low, which would mean we can expect a return to impulse. All right, after breaking all of these lows, we can expect an impulse. We can expect price to go from a higher low to making a higher high. All right, what we need to see is here being we want to see a shift from bearish momentum to bullish momentum on the lower time frames. And this is what I'm watching here. All right. And we'll see it on the 15 and the 5. And what I want to see is the old standard low, lower, a break of that the previous high, a return to impulse somewhere in the impulse here. We're looking for an order block that can reverse price, probably somewhere near the head, and then a continuation to the upside. That's what I'm looking for. All right, on the lower time frames. If price wants to do that, if price wants to go all the way through, well, there's another level down here. That means that we'll be filling in this wick completely. We've already filled in about a good 40% of it. That means price will want to continue down lower. All right, and then come up to take out that high for the liquidity. We might be going for the liquidity down here, here, and into this order block. All right, I would like to know what your feedback is. If you see it the same way, if you see this market the same way I do, if you agree, or if there's something that I might have missed. All right, there's a bearish order block here that was the high of which was taken out, but it still closed within this order block here on the 8 hour. Okay, so we might be seeing price come back up here, and then we might see a good reaction as it returns to the impulse. We might see price come down lower if this holds, if this bullish order block holds. I don't know. We're going to see how this plays out. All right, give me some feedback. I'd like to hear from you. Thank you.